Hello everyone. Today I will discuss the numerical problem that has been asked in GATE or GATE and Engineering Services Examination that has been based in determinacy and indeterminacy. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe that thing. So we will start from question first. So question first is what? The static indeterminacy of the structure shown below is. Okay, so they have given that thing. So a static indeterminacy, how we will find? There are two methods are there. So one formula you can see there. Formula is equal to ds is equal to 3m plus r minus 3j minus rr. You can derive that formula also. How? What is the determinacy? Degree of determinacy, that is the number of unknown and known equations. So what is the number of unknown? So two are there. What is that? External. So external reaction that is suppose that is R, that is suppose that is R. Okay, so unknown R. Then internal unknown. So internal unknown what? Suppose m members are there in frame, m members are there. So in m members are there and one members, how many unknowns are there for one member for internal? So that three unknowns are there. Which one? That one is bending moment, then shear force and axial force. So suppose m members are there, one member, how many unknowns are? Three internal unknowns are there. So how many? Bending moment, shear force and axial force. So if m members are there, so how many unknowns are there? M is to 3, means that is equal to 3m. So how many total unknowns are there? 3m plus r. Or how many equations available are there? So at one joint, how many static equilibrium are there? 3 static equilibrium are there. Suppose that is which one? Sigma fx is equal to 0, then sigma fy is equal to 0, and moment at summation of moment at any point is 0. Okay, so one joint, how many equations are there? Available equations are there? 3. So if j joints are there, so how many? 1. So how many equations are there? So equation are equal to 3j. Okay, so known is how much? 3m plus r, and known equations are how many? Minus 3j. And what is the RR? RR means if hybrid joints are there, so hybrid joint gives some release reaction. So that is how many totals are there? Total equations are there? 3j plus RR. So unknown is how much? Unknown is 3m plus r, and equation is how much? 3j plus RR. RR is what? Due to the release reaction. RR is what? Release reaction. So what is the ds? ds is 3m plus r, that is the unknown, minus 3j minus RR. You should have to remember that formula. Okay, and you can derive that thing by basic also. So how many reactions are there, and then members forces are there? So that is equal to 3m plus r, and equations are how much? 3j plus RR. So that minus you can solve that thing. Okay, so now you can see like that here ds we have. Now we know the formula, how much? 3m plus r minus 3j minus RR. Okay, so now you can see the first support A, that is the fixed support. So three unknowns are there. For fixed support, three unknowns are there. Okay, three unknowns are there. Then that is hinge support, two unknowns are there, and that is the roller support. So one unknowns are there. What is that unknowns are there? Three here. That is the HA, then RA, or you can say that vertical, and that is then MA for A. Then for B, what is that? That is the hinge support. So that is what that is HB, then RB, and that is there is no moment is there. So two unknowns are there, and for roller supports only that RC are there. So how many reactions are there? 3 plus 2 plus 1. So it will be how much? 6. Okay, so now you can see like that is 6, and And what is the J? Number of joints. So number of joint, you can count that thing. So that is number of joint 1. Okay, you can see like that 1, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is J. Here there is no hybrid joints are there, so RR will be 0. So we can now put that value. So when you will put that 3 is to 11 plus 6 minus 3 is to 10 minus 0, that will be the 9. So your answer is C. Okay. You can also find by second method also. So ds is what? ds is total static indeterminacy, that is equal to dse plus dsi. So what is the dse? ds is the external static indeterminacy and dsi is internal static indeterminacy. So dsc, that is external, is related to support reaction. So dsc is always equal to how much? What is that? That is the known minus unknown. So what is the unknown? R, and what is the n? R minus n. What is the R? Unknown reactions, and that is available equation. So that is related to support reaction. So here you can see like that. What is the R? 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 6 minus, and what is the available equation are there? 3. Sigma fx is equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0, and sigma m is equal to 0. So you can see like that. ds is how much? D 6 minus 3, that is 3. Okay. Now dsi is related to what? dsi related to the member force. So dsi in plane frame or rigid frame, when closed loops are there, so one closed loop, for one closed loop, three unknowns are there. Sigma fx, sorry, 3 for one closed loop, 3 unknowns are there. What is that? Is bending moment, shear force, and axial force. So if C closed loop are there, so how many unknowns are there? That unknown is equal to, for 1 it is how much? C. So 3. So C how much? It is 3C, and if hybrid joints are there, then RR will be minus, because that is the release reaction or the extra equation available. Okay, so here you can see like that how many closed loops are there? 1, 2. So that is 3 is to 2, and there is no hybrid joints are there, so minus 0. So that is 6. So 3 plus 6, that is 9. Where that will be used? That is the convenient when sometimes in question they will ask only DSC or maybe DSI. So you can, in that way you can find that thing. So that is our first question. We have started that thing. So we have devoted some time in question 1. Okay. So now we will go for next problem. Okay. So now you can see there, second problem, very simple. Degree of indeterminacy of the beam given below is. Okay. So simple, how much? ds is how much? ds is what? ds is R minus n, or you can see that is the beam, and beam is what? In beam dsi, degree of internal indeterminacy is 0. So ds is equal to dse. Okay. So dse is related to what? Support reaction, and that is equal to R minus n. But is the R is the number of reaction, support reaction, and n is what? Available equation. Okay. So now you can see that is your fixed support. So here how much? Previously we have seen like that. But previously we have seen here 3 support reactions are there. Okay, but which one? Horizontal, vertical, and moment is there. Then that is both are rollers. So roller only vertical reactions are there. No horizontal and moments are there. So how many unknowns are there? But how many reactions are there? 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. Okay. And how many equations are there? Equation you can see like that. Equilibrium equation is how much? That is n is equal to what? 3. That is equilibrium equation. Which one? Sigma fx is equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0, and sigma m is equal to 0. But there one internal hinge are also there. So here internal hinge, when you internal hinge are there, one extra equations are available. What is that extra equation? Bending moment at that hinge is 0. So one more equations are there. So 3 plus 1. So how much? 4. So you can see like that 5 minus 4, how much? That is 1. So your answer is B. Okay. Very simple. Okay. So now we will go for next question. So you can see that third one, the static indeterminacy of the structure shown below The structure is given here. The options are unstable, stable, determinate, stable, indeterminate to 5 degree, and stable, indeterminate to 3 degree. Okay, so simple. We will find. We know the formula. We have derived that thing. So how much? That is 3m plus r minus 3j minus rr. Simple. So 3m here you can see like that. What is the m? M is number of members. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 3 to 7. Then r you can see like that. Both are digit joint. So what is that? 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. So that is how much? 6. Okay. And what is the j? J you can see like j, number of joints. So number of joint you can see like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 3 is to 7. Then now r. So you can see like that here. R is what? R is what? Number of release reaction at hybrid joint. So hybrid joint, how many there? Hybrid joints are there. 2 hybrid joints are there at C and D. Okay. So in 2D frame, when how we will find the RR? So RR, suppose that is the RR1, and that suppose that is I am denoting by RC. So that is equal to m dash minus 1. What is the m dash? M dash is the number of reaction meeting at that hybrid joint. So how many number of member meeting at joint C? How many? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So 3 minus 1, that is 2. Then RR2, now at D or RR2, we can how much? M dash minus 1. How many members are there? 2 members are there. So 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Okay. So how many total? RR is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. So now you can put that all values. M is 7, R is 6 and J is to 7, and then you will solve that thing, that is equal to 3. Okay. So that is the stable, indeterminate to 3 degree. Okay. Also how we will find the structure is stable or not? So 3 basics requirements are there. What is that? Your reaction is first one, your reaction is non-trivial. Okay. Then okay, second one, what is that? We will start from next. So for checking the stability, three requirements should be there. What is the first? What is the reaction is non-trivial. Then second, non-parallel. Okay. And then third one is what there is non-concurrent. Okay. So non-concurrent, you can see like that. Reactions are non-trivials are there, and they are not parallel. So that is a stable structure. So your option is D, a stable and determinate to 3rd degree. Okay. So that is for 2D structure. If 3D structures are there, so that non-parallel becomes non-coplanar. Okay. So but 2D is there, so three requirements should be there: non-trivial, non-parallel and non-concurrent. Okay. So now we will see the next problem. Okay. Fourth one, determine the degree of freedom of the following frame. Okay. So now we have to find the degree of freedom, means degree of kinematic indeterminacy. So what is that kinematic indeterminacy? You can see like that. That is the frame. So at each joint, three what? 3 freedoms are available. Which one? In x direction, in y direction, and rotations are there. So how many total freedoms are there? That is equal to 3j. One joint 3, so j joint 3. Okay. And suppose reactions are there, so what will that reaction will prevent the freedom in that direction? So that will reduce by r. So dk is what? That is equal to 3j minus r. Okay. And suppose some hybrid joints are there, so what will happen? That hybrid joints will increase the degree of freedom by rr. Okay. And also some aims are there. What is the aim? Suppose that members are inextensible or rigid. So what will happen? Suppose that members are rigid. So what will happen? They will reduce the reduce the degree of freedom by that number. Okay, so what is minus m? So what is the m? M is the number of inextensible member, not member. That is the m is what? Number of inextensible member or rigid member. So decay is how much? 3j minus r plus rr minus m. Okay, so you can see there two hybrid joints are there, 1 and 2. Okay, so now you can see like that at RR1 what is that? You can see that what are the release reactions? Only axial force are 0 there. Axial force are 0 there. Okay, and here how the bending moment is equal to 0. Okay, so here also 2 minus 1. So 1 is there and 1 is there. Okay, so how many R are there? 2. 1 plus 1. Okay, so decay is how much? 3 is to j, and what is the j? You can find that j total number of joint including hybrid joints also. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and what is the reactions? R total reaction, what R is what? Now you can see that is rigid joint, so that is 3, 2 and that is roller support, so 1. So how many? 6. Okay, and J number of joint is at 8. Now you can put all these value. So what is 3 to 8 minus 6 plus 2 minus 7. What is the m? But m is not the member. Member is what? M is what? Number of rigid member, okay, or inextensible member. We will see in next problem also, then that will be clear more. So that is 13. So your answer is how much? Answer is not mentioned there, and that is written wrongly there. So your answer is how much? That is 13. Okay, so that options are incorrect. So 13, you can check that thing in standard books also. Here we have taken problem from that book, that is not mentioned there, but you can see in another book also, that is correct answer is 13. Okay, so now we will go for next. Okay, fifth. Okay, so what is that? Plane structure shown below. So that is also a stable determinate. So first of all we will find the determinacy. So determinacy, what is determinacy? You can see, you know the formula. What is that? ds is equal to 3m plus r minus 3j minus r. So what is now? We should have to take the members. Member is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so member is 7. Joint, now we will find the joint. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So j is equal to 8. Okay, release reaction, two hybrid joints are there, 1 and 2. So at that joint you can see like that. What is that? So here what is the release reaction? So here you can see like that, bending moment is, what is that? What is there? What is that here? What is 0 there? Bending moment is equal to 0. Then what is that? Also you can get axial force is 0. So at that joint, how many RR is there? 2, and then at that point what is m dash minus 1. So m dash is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So how many total? 2 plus 1, 3 is there. RR is equal to how much? 3. So now you can put all these value. So 3 to 7 plus 6 minus 24 minus 3, that is equal to 0. And also you can see like that, what is that? Stability for what? Three requirements are there. What is that? Reactions are non-trivial, then non-parallel and non-concurrent. So you can see like that here, reactions are not parallel. Okay, okay, so you can see like that, that is what? ds is equal to 0. So that is a stable and determinate. So your answer A is there. Okay, so now we will see the next. So you can see like that, kinematic indeterminacy of the single bay portal frame fixed at the base is. Okay, so you can see that figure. So that is single bay portal frame. So it's simple. You can see like that, decay is how much? 3j minus r plus rr minus m. So what is the m? M is the number of rigid member. Okay, so you can number of rigid member. Okay. So you can see like that, here also not mentioned, but according to option we have to assume that either member is extensible or inextensible. So you can see like that, j is how much? 4, and r is how much? 3 plus 3, that is 6. So you can put that thing, well, that value here, 3 is to 4 minus 6, and no hybrid joints are there, so 0, and here you can see like that if we will see like that member is non-rigid, so what will happen, or extensible, so what will happen, what is the decay is there, 3 is to 4 minus 6, so it will become to 6, but here not, here option is not 6, so we should assuming that, we are assuming that given member are rigid, so you can, when you will put m is equal to 3, it is equal to 3, so your answer is 3. Okay, so now you can, next problem, a fixed beam at the ends and are subjected to lateral loads only is statically indeterminate and the degree of indeterminacy is, okay, so you can see like that beams is given and lateral loads are there, so what will happen, so generally that at when rigid joints are there, 3 reactions are there, but now you can see like that lateral loads are only there, so that is maximum reactions are like that, for rigid joint, but you can see like that component of there is no force in horizontal direction, so that reactions are not there. So how many unknowns are there, we have to find ds, that is the beam dsi is 0, so ds is equal to dsc and that is equal to r minus 1, r minus n. Okay, so how many unknowns are there, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now n, what is the n, now you can see like that when you will put sigma fx is equal to 0, it will give nothing because there is no forces in that direction. So how many equations are there, only 2, which one, sigma fy is equal to 0, here written wrongly, that is sigma fy, because sigma fx is equal to 0 give nothing. Okay, so two equations are only there, sigma fy and summation of moment at that point is, at any point is 0. So how many r minus n, 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So your answer is 2. If that forces are like that, so what will happen, 3 plus 3, 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3, but they are given that only lateral loads are there, so in that case 2 are answer, 2 is answer. Okay, so now you can see like that the following two statements are made with the reference to the planar truss shown in below. So that is also first statement is what, the truss is statically determinate and truss is kinematically determinate. So what we have to do, first of all we have to find the ds and then we will find the dk. Okay, so now you can see like that, so what is the ds, ds is what, total unknown minus available equation. So ds you can see like that, that is include internal and external also. So internal unknown, external unknowns are what, that is r, and internal unknowns that is related to member force, but in truss what is that, only in member, in truss what is that, only axial force are there, there is no bending moment is not there and shear force is also not there in case of truss. So one member, how many unknowns are there, one unknowns are there, the total unknown is how much, m, so how many total unknown, r plus m plus r. Okay, and then what is that, what is the equation available at each joint, two equations are there, at each joint two equations are there, what is sigma fx is equal to 0 and sigma fy is equal to 0. Okay, so you can see like that at each joint what is that, two equations are there, so how many total equation, that is 2 is to j. So what is the equation of ds, m plus r minus 2j. So now you can find the number of members. So you can, members are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 then 12 then 13. Okay, so when you will put that thing, that is 13. Okay, and what is the j, you can also find j joints are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 3 are and inside, so how many, 9. So now you should have to put all these value, so that is 13 plus 6 minus 2 is to 9 and that will be equal to 1. Okay, similarly you can to find the dk. Okay, so in case of 2D truss, at one joint two freedoms are there, so for j joint that will be equal to dk is equal to, for one joint 2 is, so that is equal to 2j, and reactions available there are reduce the degree of freedom, so minus r, and if hybrid joints are there, so that will be increase the degree of freedom, that is r RR, and if member are rigid, so that again decay will reduce. Okay, so now you can see there. So how many? Here also not mentioned. So what we are saying, we are resuming according to we are assuming that digit member all are extensible members. So you can see like that J is how much? 9 and R is 6. You can see like that pin joints are there. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. So total reaction R is how much? 6. So when you put that thing and there is no hybrid joint, so RR is 0. So that is 12. So what is that? So you can see now you can see your structure is aesthetically indeterminate and kinematically indeterminate also. Okay. So your statement 1 and 2 both are wrong. Okay, you can see like that a structure is what? Aesthetically indeterminate and kinematically indeterminate also. Okay, so you can see like that both statements are false. So B is your answer. Okay, now next. Okay, so you can see like that again the total degree of indeterminacy both internal and external for the breeze truss shown in the given figure. Is it okay? So previously we have seen the formula. What is that? M plus R minus 2J. Okay, what is the M? M is the unknown related to member, and in truss only one unknowns are there in member. What is that? Is axial force. There is no bending moment and shear force, and R for external reaction. So that is equal to M plus R minus 2J. So you can count that. You should have to count the member. Member is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like that. So when you count, that is M. You should have to not take the joint that is joint in. You should have to not take that is joint. If you will take that joint, so you should have to count that member like 1, 2, 3, 4. But we are counting only 1 and 2 like that. Okay, so total member is how much? 20. And what is the J? We are J 10. Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, again we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10s are there. Okay, so and what is the R? R is equal to, that is 2 and 2, that is pin joint. So you can now put that all values. M is how much? 20, R is 4 and 2 is to 10, that is equal to 4. So your answer is A. Okay. Now you can see like that 10 questions. What is the total degree of indeterminacy both internal and external of the triangular planar truss shown in figure? So what is the formula? That is equal to M plus R minus 2J. Okay, so you can also same thing, you should have to not include that as a joint. When you will include that as a joint, you should have to count like that member 1, 2, 3, 4. But we are not taking that at the joint, so we will only count at 2 members there. So 1 and 2 there. Okay, so we are not taking joint that as a joint. Okay, when you will count that thing as a joint, you should have to increase the member also. Okay, so when you will count that member, you can see like that. So that member is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, then 15, 16, 17, then 18. Okay, so M is how much? 18. J you can also find how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so now you should have to put only these value, and R is also pin joint, so that is 2 plus 2, that is 4. So when you put that thing, that will come to be 4. So that your answer is 4. Okay. So now we will see the 11 question. Match the list type 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes below. Now you can see like that. What is that? Number of member is M, then joints is N, and number of external reaction is R. So now you can see like that plane frame. Okay, so plane frame. So plane frame, you can see like the plane frame, like that is 2D. Okay, so 2D you can see like that. What is that? So how many unknowns are there? Unknowns are how much? Unknowns are related to member and external reaction. So put 2D, what is that? DS is how much? You can see like that. DS is how much? that is R, okay, that is external reaction, okay, and M is what? Member, and for 2D, each member having 3 unknowns. What is that? Bending moment, shear force, and axial force. So one member 3 unknowns are there, so 3 member, that is equal to 3, okay, so that is your unknown, okay. And what is the available equation? Available equation, at each joint 3 equations are there. What is? Sigma fx is equal to 0, sigma fy is equal to 0, and sigma m is equal to 0, okay. So 3 at one joint 3, so n joint, that is equal to 3 is to n. So what is that? R plus 3m minus Rm, 3m plus R minus 3n. So you can see like that. For A it is 4. Now you can see like the space stress. So space stress, what is the space stress? They will a space, that is truss, okay, and a space stress means 3D they are asking about. So A, you can see like that, we have derived that thing. For A, option is 4. Now we have to go for a space stress means 3D. So you can see like that. So what is the DS unknown is what? Reactions, support reaction, and member forces. So member forces, you can know that in truss, what is that? Only axial force are there. So one member, one unknowns are there. What is that unknown? Axial force are there, because there is no bending moment and there is no shear force in the truss member. So that is equal to R plus M. Okay, now you can see like that available equation, that is dependent on joint. So in 3D, what is happened? At each joint 3 equations are available. So that is equal to minus 3n, okay, R plus M, M plus R minus 3n. So B, for B, what is that? Well, now we have to go for a space frame. So space frame, you can see like that, simple, you can see like that. What is that? R, that is external reaction, and then for member, okay, so member 6 unknowns are there. So that is 6m, and then what is? At each joint 6 equations are there. So that is equal to 6n. So what is that? 2. So for C, that is 2. So now you can see like that, that is how much? For A 4, and B 1, and C what? C 2. So your answer is D. So your answer is what? So you can see like that, your correct option is like that. So plane frame 4, then a space stress. What is the space stress? That is, now you can see like that, the space stress, but we have find M plus R minus 3n, okay, and then a space stress. So that is 2. So your correct answer is D, okay. Now 12, we can see like that, simple. So degree of indeterminacy, both internal and external, same we have to find. What we have to find? So we will use like that. We can solve by both method, for method first and method second. So first method, we are saying, what is the equation? 3m plus R minus 3j minus RR, okay. So that is hybrid joint. And what is the RR there? RR is equal to m dash minus 1. So what is, how many members are meeting there? 4 members are. So that is 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Okay, now we should have to find the m. So m is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So member is 10. And what is the reactions? You can see like that all supports are rigid joints. So 3, 3, 3, 3. So that is equal to 12. Okay. So R is equal to 12. You can see like that. Okay. And J, you can find how much? Total number of joint, including hybrid joint also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So J is equal to how much? 11. And relay reaction, we have find 3. So put all these value. 3 is to 12 plus 12 minus 3 is to 11 minus 3. That is equal to 12. Okay. So that is the first method. Second method, you can also find ds is what? ds is equal to dse plus dsi, and ds is what? External reactions. So the external reactions are related to support reaction, and that is equal to R minus n. You can see like that. What is the R? 3 plus 3 plus 3, 12, and what is the n? 3. So ds is how much? dse will come 9. Okay. And what is the dsi? dsi is 3c minus rr. And what is the c? C is closed loop. So closed loop, two closed loop are there, 1 and 2. and RR we have calculated already 3. So you can see like that 3 is to 2 minus 3 is equal to 3 and 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So in both method, either way you can find. In that method we will use when suppose they will ask DSE or DSI. Okay, so in that way answer is C, 12. Okay, so now we will solve 13. Which one of the following structure is statically determinate and stable? So now you can see like that we have seen how the frame are stable when reactions are non-trivial, non-concurrent and non-parallel. Now you can see in that all the reactions are parallel, so that is unstable, so it is not correct. Now you can see like that all reactions are passing through the same point, that is the concurrent reaction, so that is also not stable. Now you can see like that ds is how much there, here you can see like that there nothing is there, so here 3 plus 3, so how much, 6. ds is equal to how much, r minus n, so how r 6 minus 3, that is 6. So that is also not determinate, so indeterminate, so that is also not there. So you can see like that here reaction is like that, here you can see like that here reaction is not concurrent. Okay, so that is your option A is right. Okay, so now you can see 14. What is the kinematic indeterminacy for the structure shown below? And also they have, now you can see like that in that question they have mentioned that members are inextensible, means member are rigid. Okay, so you can see like that, you know the formula. What is the formula? 3j, you can see again we will see what is the formula, that is 3j minus r plus rr minus m. What is the m? M is the number of rigid member or inextensible member. Okay, so you can see like that what is the m there, you can see like that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so m is here how much, 10. Okay, r you can see like that, that is rigid joint, so 3, that is the roller, so that is 1, and that is hinge, so 2. So how much, r is how much, 6, r is equal to 6. Okay, and rr there is no hybrid joints are there, so that is equal to 0. So when you put all these values, then joint also we have to count, joint then you will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now we will put all these values, how much, decay is how much, 3 is to 9 minus 6 plus 0 minus 10. So how much it is, you can see like that 27 minus 11, that is 27 minus 16, that is equal to 11. So your answer is B. Okay, now next questions you can see like that, previously we have also solved this problem. So if the axial deformation is neglected, now you can see like that they have saying like that axial deformation is neglected, means members are rigid but member is rigid. So how many, so equation is how much, 3j minus r plus rr minus m. So what is the m? M is the inextensible member or rigid member, so how much it is, 1 2 3. Okay, j how much, 1 2 3 4. R is how much, you can see like that fixed joints are there, so 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, so r is 6. Now we should have to put all these value, 3 is to 4 minus 6 plus, and there is no hybrid joints are there, so rr is 0 minus, so it will come to the 3. Okay, now next problem you can see like that, for the plane frame with an overhang as shown in below, assuming negligible axial deformation, you can also here in that question also remember axial deformation is neglected, means all the members are rigid. Okay, the degree of static indeterminacy, that is denoted by D, and degree of kinematic indeterminacy you should have to find. So basic, what you have to do, we have to find ds. So ds is how much, 3m plus r minus 3j minus rr. So here no hybrid joints is there, so rr is equal to 0. Now we should have to find the member. How we will find, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and that is 11. So when you will consider that overhang as a member, you should have to consider last point of that overhang member as a joint. So now you can count the joint also. So that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Last p point is also overhang is also counted at joint, so that is j. Now you can put all these value. 3 is to 11. R you can see like that is rigid fixed joint, so 3, and that is hinge, so 2, and that is roller, so 1. So how much it is? 6. So and when you will put all these value, ds will be 9. Now you should have to find the decay. Decay is what? 3j minus r plus rr minus m. What is the m? M is the number of rigid member or inextensible member. So they have mentioned that in question. What? Assuming negligible axial deformation means member are rigid. So you can see that we have calculated j, so 3 is to 10. R also we have calculated 6, and r are 0 minus 11. M we have calculated 11, so that is 13. So your answer D will correct. Okay. Now we will see the 17 questions. Number 17. You can see like that, determine the static and kinematic indeterminacy for the truss. So you can see like that, what is the ds? ds is equal to in truss m plus r minus 2j. So you should have to count the member, and when you will count member, like how many member? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, like that you can count. We are not taking that thing as joint. Okay, so when you will not join, so only 2 members we count. So when you will count that member, total member will be m, and j you can find 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like that. We are not counting that as a joint. So j is how much? 12. Okay, and now you can put that value, it will be comes to be 1. And decay again, what is that? 2j minus r plus rr minus m. Okay, so you can see like that, j we have calculated how much? 12. So 2 is to 12. R reactions, so you can see like that, that is the pin joint, so 1, and roller, so 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 3, and then there is no hybrid joints are there, so that is 0. Okay, and now you can see, like that, suppose m, they have not mentioned about m, that is either it is extensible and inextensible. When you will take it as rigid, then your option is not there. So according to option, you can see like that, all member are what? Non-rigid or extensible. So what will happen? That is 0. Okay, so you can see like that, 1 and 21. So that is your answer A. Okay, thank you. I hope you have enjoyed that video. If you have any doubt, please ask in comment box, and also please like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you very much.